Hi all, Todd here, and just want to show you around some places that are either abandoned or have changed quite a bit through the years in Charlotte. So gonna run around and show you some conversions that have happened to some of these buildings, and also show you some abandoned things that will probably bring back some memories. So let's go. And there's a classic for you, old 80s car wash. I think it came in like a dealership at one time as well, but that's definitely retro car wash right there. I remember when they built that. I think it was like mid 80s when that went up, or late 80s. Isn't that crazy? It's still there. Okay, wanted to get a shot of this. This is an old Arby's. It's been abandoned for quite a while. Wanted to show you around. See what it looks like right now. Yeah. But I remember coming here eons ago to this old Arby's. It's all boarded up. Can't really see anything. Looks like they're gutting it out. Get the truck there. Yeah, it's crazy. Old Arby's. It's on Independence Boulevard. Yeah, so they're tearing stuff out of it. But I want to show you this over here. And this is the old Shoney's. Big boy Shoney's right here. And I just wanted to document this because it will probably be gone soon as well. Let's see what it looks like. Here's morning traffic on Independence Boulevard going into town. It's crazy. So I'll do a quick, there he is blowing his horn. Not sure what that's about. But here you are, right here. Yeah, it's all boarded up as well. You can't see inside. But I remember the old big boy being over here in this area. Be back up so you get a better shot. Oop. It's crazy. That's a little bit of history here. Not here anymore. Had a big parking lot. And over, I wanted to show you too, across over here is Hibachi. Used to be an old Pizzahut. Let me walk over here too. See it over there? A hibachi. Yeah, be close up. Do a close up. Right there. Where it says hibachi. Yeah, it's the old, one of the old Pizza Huts. But yeah, I just want to do a quick walk around. Show you this. This is what's left of the old big boy Shoney's right here. Yeah, it used to be right here where that tree's growing. Walk down here, get a back shot of it. A little bit of history, slowly going. They still have them up in West Virginia where Big Boy started, Shoney started. All over the place. The back door's open, but we're not gonna go in there. So yeah, I just want to show you this real quick. Could be someone in there sleeping, who knows. But it is abandoned, and I mean, it's been that way, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 years, something like that. Long time. Falling apart. So, yeah, and here's Arby's here, the back of Arby's. Looked like they were starting to do something, and then they just stopped doing it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this. A little bit of history going away. I remember the big Arby sign, if you remember that. Post a picture here of the old marquee for the Arby's. Somebody dropped off a jacuzzi over here. So, yep. Not sure when they're going to tear this down. Probably sooner than later, I would imagine. I'm not sure. I can't remember what that building was. It's been abandoned for a while, too. Let me walk over there. Yeah, if you remember what this was, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm not sure. Maybe it was a pharmacy. I don't know. Could have been. But a lot of these have turned into like used car lots, stuff like that. But I don't see anything that looks familiar of what it used to be at one time. Let me check the front real quick. I don't know. It has two doors here. I don't think it was a McDonald's. Yeah, I don't think it was. It's got two doors here. That doesn't look like the format for a McDonald's. Maybe a Burger King, I don't know. But again, if you know what it was, please leave a comment and let me know. I could be completely wrong. It could have been a McDonald's. I can't remember. But yeah, traffic's crazy. People going to work. Well, this is Moosehead Grill. They have some of the best wings in town. It's always busy. It's early morning, and I just wanted to show you this structure here. Can you make it out? Can you tell what it is? Look at the windows. Yep, Pizza Hut. Yeah, this was Pizza Hut for years and years. I used to come here back in the 80s and 90s before it turned to Moosehead. But yeah, this was the old Pizza Hut at one time, and a lot of memories here. So yeah, so I wanted to show you this Moosehead Grill, and yeah, used to be a Pizza Hut. So yes, there was a reason I was showing you that Pizza Hut, and also the little hibachi Pizza Hut, the classic looking building, because I'm here at a classic Pizza Hut. Yep, gonna go back in time, and I'm gonna get a pizza while I'm here. And that's what you're looking for right there, Pizza Hut Classic. Yeah, so it'll look just like you went back in time to the 80s. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. So all the classic Pizza Huts will have this plaque on here. So if you want to pause it and read it, yeah, it's all about the brothers who they borrowed like some money from mom, $600. Yeah, and they started Pizza Hut. And here is the inside. They have the buffet too. I might get that. Yeah, the buffet's going, and check out the lamps, the lights over the tables. Yeah, I remember having the video games here too. I don't know if they have them, but they don't look familiar. I love how they have all the pizza boxes up there ready to go for your takeout. They get old pictures on here, the old logos, everything. And I remember the tables being set up with that pattern of the tablecloth. So cool. Oh, now get in the booth. Thank you so much. Get a half and half iced tea. But yeah, here's the buffet here. But I think I'm going to get a personal pan pizza. And it is crowded. It's slammed. And as you can see, it has the old photos on the wall too. But I just love the lamps. These are great. This is awesome. It smells so good in here too. So I decided to go with the personal pan pizza. Can't wait to eat it. It's been years since I've had a Pizza Hut, personal pan pizza, an actual Pizza Hut. And I remember a lot of times where this table is, you'd have the little wall here, a little partition, and you would have the video games like Pac-Man, Galaga, and Centipede right here. And yeah, we used to play games all the time right in this little area. And this is just the right amount for me too. I love the bread. Yeah, you gotta get the personal pan. Bread is nice and moist, yummy. But yeah, these little ones are really good. And I might come back for the buffet eventually, but today I'm just grabbing this and a little salad from the salad bar. So the salads are pre-made, which I can understand that after COVID and stuff. So they're wrapped up nice and secure. And then you got your salad dressings. They have blue cheese and it might be ranch and Thousand Island. I really want to get a quick shot of the back room here. All the classic photos. There's the brothers there, I believe. And it is full back here. But yeah, the pizza's been excellent. So really, really good. I just love the classic Pizza Hut. It's awesome. So that was really good. I am full, and it was a lot of fun doing that. I'll be back for sure. But yeah, if you can find a classic Pizza Hut in your area, they're kind of spread out, so you won't see them everywhere, but they're out there. So definitely stop by. It'll bring back a lot of memories if you remember the Pizza Huts it's definitely from the 80s. So yeah, I love it. It's great. All right, guys, stay tuned for more. Heading down to Georgia soon. Take care. Bye-bye.